Hey everybody, this just arrived in the mail today, so I'm excited to test these out. And these will be for sale. This is the Manta X Prism DDR5. This is 2x24GB. This is actually the fastest DDR5 you can purchase anywhere. You take a look here, and this is the 8200, case latency 38. So I'm very interested, and that's just with 1.4 volts. So this stuff is pretty good. I'm excited to test it. DDR5 8200, case latency 38. And that's with the 48 gigs of RAM. This stuff is, I think, $570 online. That's expensive. Man, you can go buy like a used RTX 3090 or numerous things with that. That is really expensive DDR5. I'm very curious to see how it stacks up to my G.Skill DDR5 7200. So I'm running the G.Skill 7200 sticks, and I've been running these things at DDR5 8600. Case latency C38 for about a month now. Every day. I mean, working, gaming, you guys name it. I run them at that. So it's they've been amazing, especially for the $275 that I paid for these. So of course I'm excited to see how the G.Skills compare to the Manta 8200s. So we're essentially going to be looking at two 48 gig kits, two of them. We got our 48 gig 7200 kit and our 42 gig 8200 kit. So 1000 megahertz or 1000 mega transfers faster with almost the same latency. So are they the same? Are these better? Are these better? We'll find out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Hope you enjoyed.